how to fix corrupted games on Steam. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix corrupted games on Steam. So first just head over to the particular game on Steam and just right click on it and click on this properties, and from here you should see the option regarding local, and tap on this verify integrity, and once you do that it will check if the game is corrupted or not. And next thing what you want to do is just click on this Steam button over here at the top left corner and simply select settings. And once you're inside your settings, and just select the download option over here and scroll down. Here you should see the clear cache button. Simply clear the download cache from over here. So what it basically does is it will basically reset the download from your Steam application. And once you do all of that, now simply head over to your local disk C, and where your Steam is basically installed, so it's on program files x86. Now simply searching for Steam and just locate the folder called Steam apps, and here you should see your downloading folder if you have one, and you can simply rename it. So let's say I want to rename it to something like old downloading, and what it does is you also basically reset your download files or to start the application. And once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed, and try reopening Steam. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.